afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, to the Red Planet family who's been doing business in the city of Manila. They're all over the city now, and I hope more branches of Red Planet Hotel in the city of Manila. And with that, of course, our nakakatatlo na. Sa tatlong branch ng ating tindahan, itong Sun Cafe, dalawa sa Maynila. Mukhang maganda ang 2026. Baka mamaya, 5 na. But I'm happy and proud to be here as your city government in our own little way showing to business community across value, across industry that your city government will always welcome you to the city of Manila. Manila is growing for the past 4 months, and I would like to inform, especially Red Planet, who's catering our visitors in the city. Manila, we just received almost 7,000 in the last 4 months of new businesses in the city because of the rules being reintroduced. It was introduced, that kind of policy, in 2019 and 2022. But it was removed or changed noong mga nakaraang taon. So we went back and put back the policy of ease of doing business in the city. And with that, the market, the business community reacted positively. So that's why we are very excited that if at the rate we're going, there will be more foot traffic in the city of Manila. More foot traffic, more business, more jobs for the people of Manila. And that is our goal. In line with our direction, in our commitment. In the next 10 years, in the city of Manila, your city government will continue to invest in MBN, on NBN. MBN means minimum basic needs. Housing, education, healthcare, and jobs. These are the 4 pillars of services that we, as your government in the city of Manila, will continue to invest heavily so that, para naman tumaas ang antas ng pamumuhay sa lungsod. Manila is old. It is an old city. No comparison to Taguig, Makati Avenue, and so on and so forth. But with that kind of challenges, it is also an asset. This old city has so much history. And with history, we have so much story to tell. Like in the case of where we are right now. This is the first and largest Filipino-Chinese community in the world. This is China. 1 block away, you have the first in the world outside of Hong Kong. The first Hong Kong Shanghai Bank branch headquarters outside of Hong Kong. And now what we all know, 1919 Cafe. That 1919 Cafe used to be HSBC. In 1919, the word itself, the restaurant itself. So, kaya marami tayong yaman. Ang yaman natin ay kasaysayan. Pagamat tayo'y luma, pero ang trabaho ng gobyerno ay gawin itong maaliwalas. Maaliwalas at panatag ang pamumuhay. So that businesses can come in and make a living, strive, and hopefully be successful. Malaking merkado ang Maynila. Yan ang asset natin. At palalo pa itong lalaki, huwag kayong mag-alala, ay pumanatag kayo in our own little way. I and our City Olympians, ay mag-alala, magbubuti po kami. I know in your heart, in your mind, there are so many things that bothers you with what's happening in the country. But don't worry. your city government will not participate in creating uncertainty in our country. We will focus on our people, in our city, each and every family in the city. Kaya itong aming pagpapakita dito ay paraan, maliit naming paraan, ang pagpapakita ng suporta. Kahit nasabi mo pa 2x2 yan, 2x4 yan, o sa kanto, o sa hotel, we will be there to show our support to the businesses. And that will be good. So sa inyo, Santa Fe, sa Red Planet, maraming pang building dito, tirahin nyo pa. Marami pa dyan. And next year, for the Red Planet, or what you call the hospitality industry, will be a fruitful year for them. Because your country, our country, the Philippines, and our city will be hosting ASEAN. So there will be more and more opportunity for every businesses across industry, no? Kaya maggayak kayo ng maggayak, maghanap pa kayo ng mga lugar dyan, maghanap buhay kayo. No harm or disturbance will come to you from the city government. That I guarantee. Gone are the days na sumasakit ang ulo ninyo sa City Hall. No more lonely nights. We will get great certainty. And to the developer, we'd like to inform you, or even your property. Ito, dadagdag ko na. Sayang naman yung opportunity. Because this is one of the great policy that we call the part of the ease of doing business. In the zoning board, your zoning authority used to require you 22 items to comply with the zoning. I would like to inform you that 2 months ago, I, as your chairman of the zoning board, made it to 7. From 22 items to 7 items. Now, if you still don't comply and you pay with the requirements, or you need to be exempted in the land use, you need to comply 15 items. Now, it's only 5. Wow. So that is our commitment testament to show to the industry, the business industry, welcome po kayo sa lungsod ng Maynila. So ulit, congratulations. I'm happy and proud to be here, and I wish that God will always continue to guide and bless each and every one of us. Thank you. Magandang araw. Palain naman kayo ng po may kapal. Manila, God bless. Thank you.
To proceed with our program, Mayor, mag-enjoy ka muna dahil meron kaming prepare na isang tradition talaga dahil nandito tayo sa Chinatown. Everyone, let's enjoy our Dragon Dance! May we now invite Honorable Mayor Isko Moreno, Red Planet Philippines Manager, Ms. Kana Asumo. Chief Executive Officer of Sun Cafe Manila, Ms. Aurelia Ortiz. And Sun Cafe Manila Operations Manager, Mr. Patrick C. Everyone, let's gather to this area, please, and help me with our countdown. Let's go here, so we can all witness our ribbon cutting ceremony. Please pause this. Bring muna to the ribbon pose. Let's have a photo muna, just a photo, everyone smile. Alright, kaya naman, everyone please help me on our countdown. Cut the ribbon in 3, 2, 1! Congratulations! Sun Cafe is finally here at Red Planet Pinondo. Congratulations, our VIPs, please. One more photo. Let's have another photo, please.